Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2014 Toyota Sienna equipped with the Freedom Motors rear entry power ramp. To operate the ramp, you will use your key fob here. This is going to open the lift gate and bring the ramp back down. Go ahead and check out the inside. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55.5 inches. And as we make our way inside, this one is going to come with a set of retractable straps, and you will have one seat on the back, and then in the front you will have driver and passenger. And this van here only has 46,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You'll use your key fob once again and hit the button like so. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. And on top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here is going to have 46,000 miles, and it will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front, then here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.